is a beautiful August 25th morning in 2019. It is 67 degrees outside. I am so happy. Fall is upon us. We have the BlueDriver here. Quick backstory, just a little over 3 weeks ago, I had some problems with my car. It was jerking and bucking. Took it to one dealership. They said it was the transmission. I knew that was BS because with my prior automotive experience, I knew that it was related to it needing a tune-up, needing spark plugs, possibly ignition coils, the whole nine. Anyway, after taking it to them to do a different dealer to do another diagnosis and taking it to several OBD2 testers, I finally decided to get my own, and it's this one. I did a lot of research. I looked at the fixed. I looked at all the ones that they offer on Amazon. I watched Scotty Kilmer and saw everything he was saying. This was the one that he kind of swore by before going with another one that I believe is only Android, and I am an iOS guy. So here it is. Open it up, Stepan. Let's take a look at it. Be careful there. Turn it around for the camera. There we go. Pretty cool, right? And here's the unit itself. Pretty cool. And that's it. And I cheated a little bit. This is a little quick start guide. I've actually already tried it out. Okay. I didn't. Because I'm filming with the phone. Oh, well, here's the cool thing. There's a flashlight mode on there. You touch it, it lights everything up. No, I got you. I'm filming you. Go ahead.
Okay.
Don't worry.
This part? Like
plug it in the other way. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Perfect. There it is. Now it's plugged in. We're going to crank the car up. Okay, now once you crank it up, it starts flashing. No. Go to the app.
Look, so this is the app.
Yep, there's the app.
Read codes.
Read codes. And
Okay.
well, the check engine light is on. Right. And as you can see here, it's flashing red because it's not connected. So I just disconnected it from my phone. So now I've got to pair it up with the iPad so that I can use it with that. So just one moment. Okay. Seems to be connecting. As you can see here, we're gonna do check engine light. It's scanning. It says a turbocharger boost sensor, A circuit low. And read now. You gotta accept the terms here. So let's go to this. Okay. So this code is common on a 2015 Lincoln Navigator, as you can see. It's focusing well enough. So, and here are the frequently reported fixes. Okay, they replace the spark plugs, which we are going to do. Because we've already done the coils several times over. It's not helping. It's going to be the spark plugs. And that's what's throwing this code as well for the turbocharger. All of that is related to the spark plugs. So enough with our video of the BlueDriver. We're going to get to work. Just wanted to show how great it is to have this tool at your disposal so that you don't have to deal with taking it to a dealership or anyone else to get a diagnosis.